How to manage getting things done notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage getting things done notifications on Google Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here, and now click settings, and then click notifications, and then click notifications again, and now go down until you find just one getting things done. Click on it if you want to turn it off, and as you see, getting things done has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just by one click, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and that's how to manage getting things done notifications on Google Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.